In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add note in Waze. To get started, open Waze and head to the live map. This is the area where you can view locations and make edits more precisely, so it's the right place to begin if you want to leave a note on a specific spot. Once the live map loads, take a moment to let everything fully appear on screen so the tools are easy to find. Next, look over to the right-hand side of the screen and click on the pencil icon. This opens the editing tools and gives you access to the options you need for making changes on the map. If you don't immediately see it, just scan the side panel carefully because this icon is what takes you into the editor view. After that, shift your attention to the panel on the left-hand side. This is where Waze shows the available editing actions. In this panel, click on the plus sign button. The plus sign is used to add something new to the map, so this is the step that moves you from simply viewing the map into creating a new item. Once the menu opens, click on Note. This tells Waze that the item you want to add is a note rather than another type of map feature. Choosing the correct option here is important because it ensures your information is saved in the right format and can be understood by others reviewing the map. Now locate the exact spot where you want to add your note. You can move around the map and zoom in if needed to make sure you're placing it in the correct location. It's a good idea to be as accurate as possible here, especially if the note is related to a very specific place on a road or near a landmark. After you find the right spot, click on that location to place the note. This anchors the note to the map and opens the area where you can begin entering your information. At this stage, just make sure the marker is placed where you intended before moving on. You can now start adding the note. Type in the details you want to include, keeping your message clear and relevant so it's easy to understand later. A short, specific note usually works best, especially when it refers directly to the location you selected. And that's how to add a note in Waze. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be able to leave useful location-based notes quickly and accurately.